like our brothers and sisters from the Torres Strait and Australia said, we'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this country that we're meeting in, pay our respects to all elders, both past and present, and equally as important, our brothers and sisters who have gone before us. Mr Chairman, the New South Wales Aboriginal Land Council respectfully makes the following recommendations to the encouraging all states to endorse the UNESCO Convention for Safeguarding of the Intangible Culture and Heritage. Encourage all states to consider and take action on the recognition of Indigenous languages in national constitutions. Mr Chairman, based on the recognition of diversity and culture differences, urge all states to review and include bilingual education models in educational institutions, reinforcing that states have a duty to ensure that maintenance and revival of Indigenous languages. That the Permanent Forum encourages Human Rights Council to establish an independent mandate for the Special Rapporteur on Indigenous Health and Education. Requests the United Nations Education, Science and Cultural Organisation, UNESCO, in highlighting best practice to provide a report on the participation and experience of Indigenous peoples in educational institutions. Mr Chair, in consultation with Indigenous peoples, conduct a review on funding models used to support Indigenous education, community engagement, research and teaching in line with Goal 2 of the Millennium Development Goals, with the aim of establishing a minimum benchmark for financial resources and support. Urge all states to work with Indigenous peoples across government sectors in collaboration between health and education sectors and develop a set of international standards that protect and preserve Indigenous knowledge systems. That the Permanent Forum encourages states to provide annual reporting indicating progress against the World Health Organisation social determinants of health. Mr Chair, requests that all states formally respond to the 2011 Rio Declaration and identifies how it is or how it plans to implement the actions to address health inequities. Request that there is an independent monitoring reporting on the government's progress on Rio Declaration and other relevant WHO reports. Recommend to states to strengthen actions to address the structural barriers that impede equitable access to universal health care. And again, congratulations and thank you, Mr Chairman.